Ever pondered how critical data analytics has become in our modern world? From predicting consumer behaviors to helping in decision-making, data analytics has transformed the way businesses operate. Today, we delve into the world of Python, a versatile language that's become the go-to for data scientists across the globe. We're going to focus on a Python framework that's a game-changer for data analytics, Pandas. Pandas, short for Python Data Analysis Library, offers powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use data structures with data analysis tools. Here's how you can get started with this fantastic framework. First off, it's crucial to install the Pandas library. If you have Python installed, you can easily add Pandas by typing pip install pandas in your command line. For those using Anaconda, the command is conda install pandas. Once installed, it's time to import the library to your Python script. Simply write import pandas as PD. The PD is an alias that will make your code more readable when you call on Pandas functions. Now, with Pandas up and running, we can start working with data. Pandas primarily uses two types of data structures: series and data frames. A series is a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold any data type. A data frame, on the other hand, is a two-dimensional table of data with rows and columns. To create a series, use the command pd series data index, where data can be a list, dictionary, or scalar value, and index is a list of axis labels. Creating data frames is just as straightforward. Use pd data frame data index columns, where data can be a dictionary of endares, lists, dictionaries, or series. Output. Once you become familiar with these structures, you can begin exploring the many functionalities of Pandas. From merging and joining data to reshaping and pivoting, the possibilities are endless. But remember, the real power of Pandas lies in its ability to handle large datasets. It can read and write data in a wide variety of formats, including CSV, Excel, SQL databases, and even the clipboard. Now, let's summarize what we've discussed. We started by understanding the importance of data analytics in today's world and how Python, particularly the Pandas library, plays a vital role in this field. We then went through the process of installing and importing Pandas. We explored the core data structures in Pandas, series and data frames, and learned how to create them. Finally, we touched on some of the functionalities of Pandas, emphasizing its prowess in handling large datasets. So, whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just starting your journey, Pandas offers a comprehensive, user-friendly framework to make your data analytics tasks much more manageable. Dive into the world of Pandas and watch as your data analytics skills take flight. And remember, the world of data is vast and ever evolving. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning.